So all the way back in March of 2020, I did a quarantine vlog video. You can check that out here or in the description box. But yeah, so in that video, I mentioned the Shark Week Survival Kit subscription box and how I was getting ready to do a review on one of them. Since then, I've ordered the box like 6 or 7 more times, but due to a number of factors, I wasn't able to actually do a video on them. Until now. If you want to see what's in this month's Shark Week Survival Box, keep watching. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing fan-freaking-tastic, and I'm so glad you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, pretty please do so, and don't forget to like and comment. If you haven't heard much about period subscription boxes, you can watch my video from a few months ago on the first subscription box I tried that gives a little bit more info about them. Basically, there are a number of different companies that create subscription boxes specifically for those of us who menstruate. They're designed to make periods a bit less lame by sending you a number of different items. Some boxes come with tampons or pads, some with yummy snacks, and some even come with beauty products or relaxing bath items. Some of them come once a month on a specific day, and some come just whenever you request them. For this box specifically, in the boxes I've received so far, I've gotten tampons, pads, some super yummy snacks, a full-size pack of makeup remover wipes, and some makeup, and a bunch of other great things that I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, I'm excited to share this one with you guys. When you go to the subscribe tab of the Shark Week website, there are a few different options. The first box they offer is the Shark Week Survival Kit Light to Medium Flow box. This says that it comes with 10 pads and or tampons, 3 panty liners, 2 ibuprofen packets, feminine wipes, a full-size chocolate, and disposable backup panty. The next option, the Medium to Heavy Flow Kit, comes with all the same things except for 15 pads or tampons rather than 10. Next up are the Baby Shark kits in light to medium and medium to heavy, which come with organic pads and tampons, a few snacks, tea, and 1 holistic healthcare product. Following that, you'll see the Angel Shark Survival Kit that's designed for people that either have never menstruated or people that have stopped menstruating, or for people that don't use pads or tampons. This option comes with a plethora of self-care products hand-picked to bring balance to your body, wipes to freshen up, and Advil for pain. The Little Shark Kit comes with just the basics of 10 organic pads, tampons, wipes, and Advil. The last subscription option on the site is the Have Fun Period CBD Kit, which comes with up to $100 worth of period CBD products, 15 pads and or tampons, 3 liners, snacks, wipes, a sheet mask, and Advil. All of the options have different price points, which I will allow you to check out whenever you feel so moved. When I ordered my original box way back in March of 2020, I chose the light to medium box since I have a pretty light flow. Next up, you choose how many months you want to pay for at once. I chose the month-to-month option, which has a list price of $25.99. Following that choice, they ask you a few questions such as your underwear size, if you have any allergies, and what your favorite color is. They also ask you if you prefer sweet or savory snacks, I chose savory, if you prefer pads or tampons, I chose tampons, how old you are, and if you have any special requests. After that, you'll put in all the usual stuff such as your address and payment details. This box does have a shipping charge of $6, so be sure to factor that in if you're thinking of ordering. I was able to find a promo code the first time I ordered, so it never hurts to check for one before placing your order. Another thing to note with this box is that they ship orders out on one day every month, the 4th, and your subscription will renew every month on the 11th if you don't cancel it. If you just want to try it out once though without a commitment, they do offer a one-time box in their shop as well. My box shipped out on the 4th of April and I received it on the 13th of April. So now that I have it in my hands, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm sure it's probably a little glary because of the lights, but it's like a light pink color with little shark fins, which are kind of adorable. And has the logo on it. It was taped, but luckily for me, I thought ahead and used scissors to untape it, because that would have been probably amusing for you, but not so amusing for me. Alright. Ooh. That's funny. We just had some of these for breakfast. They are delicious and I really like them, so I'm excited about that. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So this is how it came packed in here. So yeah, the first thing you see is the blueberry breakfast, little like cracker type things by Belvita. They are very delicious. I really like them, so I'm excited about that. The next thing there is, ooh, Little Bites chocolate chip muffins. Very cool. Look yummy. All right, next up is, ooh, a Rice Krispie treat. I'm very excited about that because I love Rice Krispie treats. Rice Krispie treats. I can say that, I swear. Okay. And there's also, ooh, Kit Kat. Ooh. Yum. So this little box here, yeah, this comes with the tampons. So let me open that up. So yes, I like that they have the tampons in their own little box. They're not just kind of spilling around all crazy. I am very happy about that. And there's the 2 sizes in here, it looks like. Super and regular. This is L, the L organic tampons. If I did review these ones in my tampon video from a couple years ago that you can go and watch up there if you want to. This is, ooh, I think this is a necklace or something. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a necklace, looks like. Very cool. Yeah, the card says, zero waste jewelry. We're all responsible for the future of our oceans, and recycling and upcycling are 2 ways to have a positive impact on our planet. Very cool. So yeah, that's really pretty. I really like that. And here we have some Advil, always useful. Looks like some white hibiscus and peach green tea, which if you remember in some of my other videos I said I'm not a tea drinker, but my husband is, so he will be excited because he likes trying random things all the time, so I'll be excited about that. This one is green tea with jasmine and organic peppermint. Ooh, I bet he'll love that one. He loves mint. He'll be very excited about that. Also in here are some pH balanced wipes, which are super cool because I'm sure this is probably not just me, but I always feel on my period like I'm worried about being smelly or being gross, which I shouldn't be because I know that's probably not even the case. It just is a thing that's drummed into you that you're always afraid of being that way. So either way, it's nice to have wipes, and they have rose water, so they probably smell good. I don't know, but I would imagine they probably do. Also in here, it looks like are some panty liners, which is cool. Always nice to have. And lastly, it looks like is a little travel brush. Very cute. A little pop-up brush with a mirror. And it is in one of my very favorite colors. So yeah, I love that. Yeah, it just kind of folds up and goes together. Sticks in reverse, so you have it whenever you need it. So super cool. Okay, so this is everything that came in this month's box. Yeah, like I said, the total ended up being around $30-ish for it, and I feel pretty happy about that. I think that as much stuff as you got, especially with the necklace and the little brush, the cool snacks, all the stuff in here, I don't know, I feel like with everything, it definitely feels worth it to me, especially if I'm not a huge fan of these particular tampons. Honestly, not that there's anything wrong with tampons, it's just that I'm like set in my ways or something and like the tampons that I've been using forever. So a lot of times I just end up giving these away to either people that need them or some of my relatives or friends that use these type of tampons. But if I use them especially and didn't ever have to buy tampons, this would be even more worth it because tampons are not cheap. So if you can find a way to get them regularly to your house every month where you don't have to go and buy another box every time, and you get a bunch of good snacks, some cool stuff, I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, that was my Shark Week Survival Kit period subscription box. What did you guys think about what I got? Looking back at all the boxes I've received so far, I feel like the price overall was pretty reasonable. Yeah, I didn't have a problem with what I paid. I think it was worth it. One thing I do really like about this particular company is that they say that they source all of their included products from women-owned businesses, which I think is pretty awesome. I also really like that you get something different each month. Getting needed period products in the mail every month is pretty nice, but it can get a bit repetitive after a while if you just keep getting the same thing every time. I really like that they change it up. I thought that was really cool. It always is like, ooh, what am I gonna get? It's very exciting to open it. So yeah, that's awesome. So would you guys order a period subscription box? If you did, what would you like to see come in the box? Is there another subscription box or a product that you'd like to see me unbox and review here? If so, leave it in the comments below. If you want to connect with me before I post my next video, here are all the links to my social media goodies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
And extra, you still have stars on your head.
Oh! No! No, I am not keeping stars on my head. That was it, right?
Yeah, that was totally it.
After that, you'll put it and your subscription will remove. Hey, you. Loose lips might sing ships. As I especially know from doing a tampon where I tried like 12 different boxes of them at one time. A tampon. Doing a tampon. That was horribly worded. But there's a child present, so we're not gonna go into why that was bad. I just live off it. Okay.